This is a quick tutorial on how to set up the stabilizer slash gimbal and how to stabilize it. So here you have all the pieces, and of course you're going to need a camera, and you have everything else. You have the screw that you're going to need to screw it in to make it stay on the gimbal itself. Here is the stabilizer. And so as you can see, you're going to use that screw there to screw it on. So the camera is going to go on top like that. We'll show you in a second, but we like to usually have it so the arm is on the right side of the camera. It's a preference thing. It doesn't really matter, but you're going to put the camera on top like that, line it up, and you're going to see on the bottom there's going to be a little hole that you can use to screw the camera in, and you're going to want to line that up with the bottom screw of the camera with the hole, so you can then use that bolt right there and you can screw it in. Okay, so next thing you need to do is once it's screwed in, you're gonna see it's not stabilized whatsoever. So you're gonna want to start stabilizing it, and right here is the first arm you're gonna want to control. You can unscrew that and move it left to right based off which way it's tilting. So we're gonna want to move it to the right a little bit, and as you can see, we got it perfect first try. You want to always get this first try, just give it a couple tries, and eventually it should look something like that. But now we got to move this axis right here, and this is on the bottom here, that screw right there. You're gonna want to unscrew that, and you're going to move the plate that it's actually screwed onto. You can move it front and back like so, and you're just going to want to do that until it's screwed in perfectly and it's nice and balanced, and we'll show you that in a second. We'll fast forward through this part. So as you can see, now the gimbal is balanced and it's ready to have the batteries put in and be turned on. So right here you have the bottom screw. You're going to want to go negative side first, which is the flat side. Put them both in negative side first, and it should peek out a little like it is right there. And then you're going to go ahead and take the stabilizer, and you're going to see it screws in the bottom right here. So you're going to want to just screw that in. And once it's screwed in, you'll be able to turn it on. Now that it's finally screwed in, we can now turn it on by holding the camera button on the gimbal for about 3 seconds, and it will turn on and you'll be ready to go.